Hello guys, welcome to Foodland. Oh my god, today's recipe is so delicious, so crumbly, so cheesy. Our dish is out of this world. This is called fried mac and cheese balls. If you have leftover mac and cheese, just try this recipe. I bet you would not regret, and I'm sure you would love it, love it, love it. We went to the cheesecake restaurant and we tried just by click, and it was so amazing. It was like heavenly, and since then we've been making it home and it's tried and tested. You would not have to wonder why and how it made it, because we're gonna see it in the video. So let's get started with this delicious iconic mac and cheese bites. These are the ingredients: 1.5 cups of small macaroni, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. For breading process, we need 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs beaten, and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So I added 6 cups of water and it's boiling for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of small macaroni. The box instruction says to cook it for 8 minutes, but I'm going to cook it for 6 minutes because throughout the frying process it's going to cook again. So it's about 3 minutes now, and I'm going to cook it for another 3 minutes, and then I'm going to strain it. Look at this, after 6 minutes I strained this one, and how beautiful they look already. So let's get started with the roux. Alright, for the roux we need 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's melt it. Once that is melted, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is going to be delicious, guys. I can't wait to eat this. And this is my son's most favorite dish. So I'm so super excited for all this. Alright, butter is melted. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it well and cook it for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Basically we're trying to get a thick consistency here. Alright, so after about 1 minute or so, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You can add more or add less, it's up to you. And half a tablespoon of salt, because we have a cheese which will also consist some salt. So let's be careful there. Give us about 2 minutes here before we add cheese. Mix it well. Alright, in about 2 minutes, I see it started boiling a little. So let's add yummalicious cheese. This is half a cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Let's mix it well, and this is going to thicken up really quickly, so stir it well. Just keep stirring for about 1.5 minutes. As you can see, it's thickening up a little bit. Let's stir for 1 more minute, and then we are ready to add the macaroni. Alright, so total cooking time here for this roux is about 5 minutes. This is nicely done now. This is the time to add this lovely boiled macaroni. Let's add them. Mix it well. Look at this. I am ready to eat just like this. But wait till the end, because you are going to see this iconic mac and cheese bites. I'm sure you're going to try this at home. So stir it well. Alright, so this is our macaroni and cheese mixture. I'm going to turn the heat off and put it in the baking tray to cool off, and then once it's cool off, I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, this is the consistency we need. It's super hot, so I have to be careful. Place it in the baking tray nicely and evenly. Just like that. And let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes. And it's ready. This baby is ready to go in the fridge for 20 minutes. Alright, welcome back after the break. So in and about 20 minutes after this mixture is resting in the fridge, I took it out, and let's cut it just like that. And we basically have to make a squares and then make a round balls out of it. Alright, so let's get this square. My son already took the corner one. That's okay. As I said, this is mac and cheese, so deliciousness is always there. So let's make a round ball just like this. Form a ball like that. Now you gotta dip it in the flour. This baby goes in the egg. Very good. And the breadcrumbs. Alright, so once one coat is done with this breadcrumbs, I'm gonna dip it again in the egg so that it's gonna form nicely, and goes here again in the breadcrumbs. Now this looks like a big bowl. You can do a little smaller ball if you would like, so that it will be a bite size. This is a little bigger, but that's okay. I'm gonna take a smaller one here. I'll show you one more. Just make it round. Just press it gently so that it forms its shape. Alright, it's flour time. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. Just press it one more time, just like that. Goes in the egg. Get this egg wash. And it goes in the crumbs again. Make a round ball again. Now it's like form. Put it in the egg again. And last time, cover it with the breadcrumbs. Alright, in a pan, let's heat up some oil. So my oil is hot. Let's put one ball and one more. Not too many balls right here, just 2 of them for this pan is enough. My heat is on to medium high. Just keep frying this one. Look at this, it's turning golden brown already. Oh my god. This is ready. I can't wait to eat this. Yummy mac and cheese bites. Alright, so this is the color we need. Golden brown. Put it in a paper towel and add some more. And look at this, guys. Fried mac and cheese balls are ready. Look at this. I got the ketchup and the sauce I made this with sour cream, mayonnaise, chili sauce, and pinch of salt. That's it. And look at this. You can add like sriracha sauce. You can have marinara sauce along with the side. Look at this gorgeous, tempting fried balls. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat them. And this is how I plate it. Variety is endless, but you can make any dip if you would like, or just eat it just like that. Oh my god, look at this, crispy outside and gooey inside. I'm gonna cut it in half for you. Let's get cutting. So if you can hear this crumbly noise, look at this. Oh my god, this is how it looks. Cheesy inside and crispy outside. Voila.
Alright, so I have been in love with these since the Cheesecake Factory, and these are, I believe they are fried mac and cheese balls. So I mean, why not just give it a shot? There's no way that is homemade. If that is homemade, then I would say it beats the Cheesecake Factory. That is so good, guys. You guys have to try this. It'll be useful for your kids, yourself. It's a family-friendly dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Alright, so you heard him. How good that was. Oh my god, it's so mouth-melting. It's gooey inside, cheesy inside, and crispy outside. Who would not love that? And again, like, mac and cheese is so easy to make, but this is one step ahead. Just make it and everybody will love it. So thanks for watching this recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland again. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button down below. Place your comments down below. I would love to read your comments. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.